Yo, this a car have a problem. Half a cylinder dead and that show like make it look like a timing sensor everything. But with me, I know how to check it. Watch ya. No power, right? So watch me out. I'm gonna check the wire here so now. It's the power, right? So what me do is run the wire from here, say positive, run it come right over here so. Should be right that's in a fuse box. Should be right now in fuse box. And start up the car, no misfire. I'll show you the difference. I don't know my phone have enough space. But the car start up good, man. Look. No check engine light, nothing. And I rev out. Rev out sweet. Without a problem. One wire.